scientific chairman of this organizing committee, and we had lined up many cadaveric workshops for the first time, and then we have almost 9 live surgeries, and many discussions and presentations, scientific acculturation, you can say, sharing of the knowledge. We have more than 500 delegates. So we have many people from outside also, Australia, UK, Switzerland, UK, and then Malaysia, and many stalwarts from India conducting this workshop. So many youngsters learn it, all the new things, so that they can be updated, and finally society will get the benefit from this.
Doctor, as we know, the theme of this conference is like simplifying techniques with technology.
Yes.
So would you like to elaborate on this theme?
Well, you see, things are very complex. When we discuss, analyze, and we have to find easier ways so that younger people and newer novice people, they can learn the techniques, and also they can use this in their day-to-day practice. That's why we had done this theme, so that complex things like our robotic surgery and other complex hip surgeries, it can be easily explained to them, and they utilize in their practice.
Like Odisha being the host of such a prestigious conference, how are everybody looking into it, especially the foreign faculties?
Okay, foreign faculty, they enjoyed most, and you saw everybody told this is one of the best conference, and in IAACON, and foreign faculty, they have learned many things beside academics to see. They have gone for sightseeing, for which Odisha is very famous, like Konark, Puri, and even around Bhubaneswar, so many temple city. So they enjoyed most.
Congratulations on taking Odisha to the forefront and organizing
Thank you.
such a conference.